The first step to setting up a QSEHRA with Salusion is to click the Start Your Company's QSEHRA button on our website. From there, you'll be asked to create an administrator account. Once that's done, you'll land directly in the onboarding workflow, where we ask you to provide basic information about your company. This info populates the plan documents that govern your QSEHRA. The next step is to create the HRA itself. You'll have the option to choose between two types of HRAs, a QSEHRA and an QSEHRA. When you select the QSEHRA, you'll be taken through the QSEHRA setup flow. First, you decide when you want the plan year to start. You can start a QSEHRA at any time. You also have the ability to shorten the initial plan year so that future plan years start on a date that you choose. All employees receive the QSEHRA benefit on the same terms and conditions. That said, you have the ability to exclude certain categories of employees. Most commonly, part-time employees are excluded. The next step is to decide what expenses are eligible for reimbursement. A QSEHRA can reimburse both insurance premiums and out-of-pocket medical expenses, and in most cases, those reimbursements are tax-free. There is one important exception. If an employee is covered under their spouse's group health plan, those premiums are usually paid pre-tax through a cafeteria plan. While a QSEHRA can reimburse those premiums, that reimbursement would be taxable because you can't double-dip on tax savings. Allowing taxable reimbursements complicates administration because reimbursements must be processed through payroll to apply required tax withholdings. Most employers choose to exclude taxable premiums. By keeping all reimbursements non-taxable, we're able to fully automate the reimbursement process for you. And if an employee is on their spouse's or parent's health plan, they can still use the QSEHRA to reimburse out-of-pocket medical expenses. The next step is deciding how much you want to make available to employees. Salusion gives you 4 options. You can offer the same allowance to everyone or vary allowances by family size, by age, or by both age and family size. In all cases, you set a monthly allowance. That amount accrues each month up to the employee's annual maximum. For example, if the allowance is $400 per month, the employee has $400 available on the first day of the plan year. If it isn't used, $800 is available the following month. We reimburse up to the amount available at the time the expense is processed. If an expense exceeds the available balance, the remainder is paid automatically as new monthly funds accrue. After the plan year ends, employees have 75 days to submit expenses from that year. Any unused balance then expires. Employees can submit expenses in one of 2 ways. They can submit them through the web platform, or they can use Salusion's mobile app to take a picture of the expense. For insurance premiums, we offer a third option called Text to Confirm. This is optional, but if you enable it, the employee submits their first premium expense, so we know the amount. After that, each month we send them a text asking whether they made their premium payment. If they confirm, we automatically create the expense for them. To ensure compliance, we check via text that the employee has insurance quarterly. The next step is deciding how employees get reimbursed. With Salusion, there are 2 options. You can manually reimburse employees, or you can let us automate reimbursements through ACH. Manual reimbursement is typically only used if you allow taxable reimbursements, since those usually need to be processed through payroll. In that case, we'll provide you with a monthly file showing what's owed to each employee, and you can handle the payments yourself. Most employers keep everything non-taxable and choose automated ACH reimbursements. When an employee submits an expense, we review and approve it the same day. After approval, we initiate an ACH from the company's bank account and route it to the employee's account. That can happen as quickly as the next business day, or you can choose to have a single monthly pull on a specific day of the month. Once initiated, it takes 4 to 5 business days for funds to hit the employee's account. Salusion only pulls money from the employer on an as-needed basis. Using the earlier example, if the allowance is $400 per month, we're not pulling $400 every month and holding onto it. We only pull funds when an expense is submitted and approved. Now that the QSEHRA is created, the final step is adding employees. You can add employees one at a time, or you can upload them in bulk using a template. Once added, you mark each employee as enrolled, set their eligibility date, and send them an invite. When an employee is invited, we create their account, send them all documents required by the IRS, collect proof of insurance, and if they don't already have coverage, we can help them get insured. If you enabled ACH, we will collect their bank information so they can be reimbursed. And if an employee ever leaves, all you need to do is end their enrollment. From that point forward, the QSEHRA is essentially automated.